guys, thank you for joining my YouTube channel today. If you didn't tune into my last video, go ahead and do that just because I am making the Korean cold noodles that we got from the Asian market. In the previous video, we went ahead and named both of them in there, kind of showed you guys everything that we got. This is one of the products. So basically it's kind of the same as regular ramen. This one just wants you to go ahead and put the noodles in cold water for 5 minutes. Then you drain it, you boil the noodle for 2 minutes, and then you drain it with the cold water. Easy enough. And then it says add the sauce to the noodle, add other ingredients, yada yada yada. So to mine, I'm adding a boiled egg because of course it's not noodles if you don't got a boiled egg in it. I'm adding a boiled egg. I'm gonna probably add whatever sauce packets are in here. I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna show you guys when I open it whatever extra other seasoning that I want to throw in there. An egg, boiled egg to be specific. All right, so I'm opening it now. This already looks pretty interesting. Like what? I've never had noodles like this before. Hopefully they're good. Oh, there's a lot of sauce. This, unsure what it is. This one, I think this is the spicy one. And then we have a little bit of seasoning. Okay, so now that we have our noodles out of our packaging, I'm gonna just go ahead and open this up and put it in a bowl. Instead, I had to sit in cold water first for about 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna pour some cold water in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the noodles into the cold water. So I'm just filling my bowl up. I'm adding the cold water. It didn't really specify how cold it needs to be. I hope it doesn't need to be like ice water cold because I don't want to do all that. Anyways. They're bubbling. I'm drowning them. Basically, I'm just gonna leave the noodles in there. So they are already like trying to separate and open up. It's only been like 3 minutes, so I'm gonna leave them there. While that does whatever it's doing, I'm gonna go ahead and boil some water. It didn't specify or tell me like specifically how much water, so I'm just gonna boil some water and call it a day. Hopefully it's enough. We're gonna drain it at the end of it anyway. So we're gonna wait on that, wait for the water to boil, and then basically put them in the boiling water and then drain them with cold water. Okay, so my water's finally boiling. I basically just had the eggs already pre-boiling and then now I'm boiling water for the noodles. Okay, so right now basically I just have my eggs boiling. I think they're about done, so I'm gonna take them out and peel them. I hope when I cut them open they're a little juicy. I don't care, don't judge me. The noodles, the water didn't finish boiling, so they did sit in there a little bit longer, but they're boiling now and everything is almost done. Now they're in the boiling water. They only have to sit in there for about 2 minutes, so I'm getting ready to take them out and then I will show you the final product. So my noodles are done boiling. I went ahead and I peeled the eggs and I'm basically just putting it together now. Again, it came with boom, boom, and boom. So I'm gonna be adding all 3 of these. Now that I see like how dry kind of the noodles are, I don't know if I want to go crazy with my seasoning. The noodle, I don't know, it's like a really thin, soft noodle maybe. I don't know how to describe it. Okay, so this is basically the end product. This is after I like re-put it in the pan and like kind of stir-fried it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the pan. It did get a little bit more color, I guess you can say, and I went ahead and added in some diced bell peppers and then the leftover meat that was in there, and yeah, I think it looks good. And I made 2 eggs and one of them came out real fugly when I fucking peeled it, so I ate it and they're runny inside, so I'm really happy with this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the taste test. I did throw the chopsticks at this actual bowl. It's a noodle bowl. I did throw the chopsticks that it came with away just because they were wood, and I feel like that just wasn't getting clean. I don't know, wasn't drying. No, we're not doing that. So I have these. We're gonna see what this tastes like. Okay, so I can definitely taste all the spice that I added because it was giving like kind of sweet and I didn't really want sweet. I want a spicy. So yeah, it's good. It's like not too spicy. I can still taste some of the sweetness, but now it's like a spicy sweet and it's really good. The noodle texture, they're like really soft. I don't know if maybe that was my fault. Not like soft, like mushy, but they're just like really, I guess, tender, you can say. They're a good consistency. But yeah, not bad. I'm not sure if I would buy it again, but not bad. Maybe like I'm like a 7.5 out of 10. Not terrible. Bye guys, like and subscribe.